In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Pinterest tag to your Wix website. This will be a simple step-by-step walkthrough, so whether you're new to Wix or have been using it for a while, you'll find this guide helpful. Let's jump right in and get started with the process. We're beginning on the dashboard of one of my Wix sites. This is the main hub where you manage everything about your website, so it's a great place to start. From this dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Site and Mobile Apps section. Once you're there, look for Website and SEO and give it a click. This takes you to a variety of settings related to optimizing your site for search engines, among other things. Now, click on SEO. Here you'll find important tools and options to enhance your website's visibility. Before we proceed, it's crucial to ensure you have completed the checklist provided at the top of the SEO section. This ensures that your site is properly configured. Once that's confirmed, move on to the site verification area. You'll notice several platforms listed here for verification, and conveniently, Pinterest is right near the top of the list. This is exactly where we need to paste our verification tag from Pinterest. So now, let's head over to Pinterest to grab that tag. In a separate tab or window, open up your Pinterest account settings. To do this, first locate your profile logo at the top of the page. Click on it and then select View Profile. On your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button and click it. This will bring you to your account details where you can manage various options. Here, find the section labeled Claimed External Account. This is where you can connect your website to Pinterest. Next to Websites, you'll see an option to claim your website. Go ahead and click on Claim. Once you follow these steps, Pinterest will provide you with an HTML verification tag. This is a small piece of code that serves as proof that you're the owner of the website you're trying to connect. With this code copied, return to your Wix dashboard. Go back to the Pinterest field you opened earlier in the Site Verification section of your website's SEO settings. Paste the HTML verification tag into the provided field. Double-check to ensure the code is correct before moving on. When you're satisfied everything looks good, hit Save. Once saved, your Pinterest tag will be successfully added to your Wix site, verifying your connection and allowing you to maximize your Pinterest marketing efforts. And there you have it. That's how you add the Pinterest tag to your Wix website. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.